Welcome back to the channel, folks. Now imagine this, you're in the kitchen whipping up your favorite meal. Suddenly, the oil in the pan catches fire, a harmless dollop of oil, now a menacing flame, dances wildly on the stovetop. It all happened in a matter of seconds, your heart pounding like a drum as the tranquility of your home is shattered by the sudden blaze. You see, in the kitchen, danger can strike in the most unexpected ways. One moment, you're savoring the aroma of your dinner in the making, and the next, you're battling an uninvited guest, fire. It can start from an unnoticed gas leak, a neglected oven, or even a seemingly innocent oil splatter. It spreads swiftly, hungrily consuming everything in its path, turning your beloved kitchen into a charred battlefield. The fear, the shock, the panic, they all grip you as you scramble to control the situation. In the blink of an eye, your peaceful cooking session turns into a high-stakes situation. Now picture this. You reach under the sink, pull out a compact red cylinder, a fire extinguisher. This little gadget isn't just a piece of decoration, it's your kitchen's superhero, your first line of defense against a fiery foe. You see, a fire extinguisher is like a secret weapon. It's small but mighty, capable of stopping a fire in its tracks. But it's not about just having one, it's about knowing how to use it. Remember the acronym PASS. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the lever smoothly, and sweep from side to side. And just like that, your little red hero comes to life, spewing out a cloud of firefighting power, taming the wild flames, preventing a small mishap from becoming a headline on tomorrow's news. But remember, it's not about being a hero, it's about being prepared. And with a fire extinguisher in your kitchen, you're more than ready. With a few swift actions, you've turned a potential disaster into a minor hiccup. So, do you have a fire extinguisher in your kitchen? Let's face it, most of us don't really think about it until it's too late. But a kitchen fire extinguisher isn't just a tool, it's an investment in your safety and peace of mind. It's like an insurance policy that you hope you'll never have to use, but feel better knowing it's there. Now, if you're wondering where to get one, your local hardware store or online marketplaces are great places to start. When choosing, look for an extinguisher labeled B or K. These are specifically designed to tackle kitchen fires involving grease, oil, and electrical equipment. Remember, having a fire extinguisher in your kitchen isn't about expecting the worst. It's about being prepared for anything. Because when it comes to safety, being proactive is always better than being reactive. Don't wait for a fire to remind you of the importance of a fire extinguisher. Get one today and cook with confidence and safety. Please like this video so others can be informed just like you are today, and we will see you soon.